Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so fixes actually take. You log into YouTube Studio and open monetization. Make sure AdSense is linked and verified. Once done, review upload defaults and each video's monetization toggle so ads can run. You should also confirm your channel meets eligibility, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, because YouTube blocks ads otherwise. Taking these steps, first, prevents wasted troubleshooting later, and ensures the platform will accept ad serving for your content. Next, you dive into ad formats and content signals because they determine revenue and delivery. You inspect each video for ad format settings, skippable, non-skippable, and bumper, and enable mid-rolls on videos over 8 minutes where appropriate. Simultaneously, you scan for content restrictions like music claims, copyright strikes, or sensitive topics that can block ads, resolve claims, or edit descriptions to remove issues. By aligning format choices with clean content signals, you maximize ad eligibility. Finally, you validate and troubleshoot so the fix sticks. You check analytics and AdSense reports for impressions, CPM, and monetized playbacks to confirm ads are serving. Then you force refresh caches. Clear your browser, log out, and test ads in incognito and on mobile to rule out local blockers. If ads still fail, prepare evidence, screenshots, timestamps, report data, and escalate through YouTube support or submit a monetization appeal. Doing so gives YouTube context and the fastest path to resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.